Here's pretty cool trending app called PURRRR, Feed and Rescue Stray Cats. Feed Stray Cat live stream. So that's what it is. The idea behind PURRRR originated from a story from feeding stray cats in Chinese community. Inspired by a group of young animal lovers, we decided to use internet technology to involve more people in caring for stray animals. So that's what it is. This app is entering top charts in social networking in US, and there are more and more apps like that. And if you find some stray cats on your streets, or sometimes you go to work or to school, and all the time you just see the same stray cat near some shop or something like that, you can just feed it and go to this app and locate it. And yeah, do much more things here. So here are the cats, and then you can just go and try to create your account. So let's just try to create an account super fast. So here it is, and then you can just you need to enter your nickname. You need to enter profile picture. All right, so let's just take a and then yeah, you just have it here. So then actually the idea of this app, I don't know why it says subscription. I didn't subscribe, I didn't pay anything, but the idea here is that you have cameras. So I think they are just installing houses for cats, and then with food. These are houses for stray cats, and then they have cameras inside these small houses, and it's just being streamed online. It's pretty cool. And then you have cat snaps, so you have snaps of cats eating and all other animals eating. And then yeah, so pretty cool technology. Obviously it's not cheap. And then you see trending, you can see trending photos, trending videos, and then yeah, you can see it. Yeah, like that's the idea. You can see popular ones there. Then there are coins. You can get some coins here. You can also invite friend to get a coin, and then you can also get check-in. So a lot of gamification in this app. So yeah, there you have it. That's the app.